Hello viewers, welcome to my channel How to Learn. Dear viewers, today we are going to learn how to concatenate in Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. I have two columns, one is first name and another is second name. On this column I want to show the full name. For that purpose I have to concatenate both these columns. What I will do, I will type is equal to on my keyboard. I will select the first name and I'll type the and symbol on my keyboard, and I will type double quotes space another double quote and again the and symbol, and I will choose the second name and I'll press enter. So you can see the full name appeared on this cell. So and to do the same in the rest of the cells, what I will do, I'll just click on this corner of the cell and I'll drag this formula. So you know, Excel is so smart, it did the rest for me within few moments. So same is the case, we can do this in Google Sheets also. Let me open Google Sheet. I have first name and second name. I will do it again. I'll type is equal to first name and symbol and double quotes space another double quotes and symbol and the second name, and I will press enter. So you can see the results. The full name appeared over here. So another thing you can do, sometimes you need to append a comma in your name. For example, I want to append comma at the end of this journey. What I will do, I will type is equal to, I'll select this name and I'll press the end symbol and double quotes comma double quote end, and I'll press enter. So you can see the comma appeared at the end of this name. If you like today's video, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.